So today we talk about the intermittent positive pressure breathing or IPPB, or we call the Bird7mask ventilators. So today's topic we talk about how to set up the circuit, the valve, the tube to the patients, and how it works, how the function of it. So let us see. So first we will talk about the functions that how the Bird7 ventilators must help the patients. So first it will help to increase the work of breathing, the sputum, the retentions, lower the tidal or volumes, accelerates in the presence of secretions and undrained the pneumothorax. And they can work when he's in to help the patient, help to breathe, help to surgery, help to save their life. So after this, we will talk about how to set up the circuit tube to the machines. As you can see, this one is a IPPB tubes to connect with the machine, so it may require a filter to attach with it. So you can see is you have to attach the INSP power first, and after that you will connect this IPPB tube with the filter to the machines. So this one you can select that you can change this one to the max for the patients like this. Mostly of the treatment may require the saline to put in the chamber of the IPPB tubes to help the patients do the treatments. So this one is the complete of the tube setup. So before you start to using Bird7, you have to connect with the oxygen supply before using. So before we talk about how it works, we have three parameters that we have to know. First is a pressure trigger. Second one is a flow rate. And the third one is a pressure adjust. So after we know this, we have to know how to set up before using. So first we have to set the flow knob into the throat or cock position. So as we know, this one is pressure, this one is the flow rate, and this one is the expiratory times, and the last one is the pressure trigger. For the second one, we have to switch on the valve to let the air flow into the machine. After we switch on the valve to let the air flow into the machines, as we can see, the air will flow in and out here to the machines along this tube. So when we compress the air into the inlet, they will move along this tube. From the first step that we set the pressure limit to the throat or cock positions, it helped to set the inspiratory pressure to the 15 to 20 centimeter of water, or you can adjust it to get along this value. So after it's moved along this tube, we can adjust to this one. This one is a full rate adjust. We can adjust to control the air that move in or move out. So normally we will set the full rate to set the inspiration time allow 1.5 seconds, allow this value. So after the air move into the tube, allow here, they will separate the air into two parts. So the first pathway is here and the second pathway is here. The air will split into two pathways through the ceramic sliding wall. So let's say the first pathway, the air will move along the tube around here to send to this one, send to the silicone spring. So the air that sent to this will compress the pressure to the spring to put this one down to close the valve. So let us see with the second pathway. The second pathway, the air will move along this tube to the air mixture control. Thus we can see that we put the oxygen in, so the oxygen will mixture with the air around here. So we can adjust and control it. And after the air mixture with the oxygen, they will send to the patients. Here, this pathway will send to the patients. So from this one, this make the pressure in the main chamber increase. So we can see from this diagrams. This diagram is the overcome of magnetic force between this one and this one versus the diaphragms should be look like here. This is our inspiration phase. So after the inspiration phase is done, so next one is the expiration phase. So let us see what is happening after the inspiration phase is done. So start from this one. This one is called soft ion breath. They will come to attack with magnetics. So when they attack to each other, this will make the pressure in the machines decrease. So as we know, if the pressure in the machine decrease, it will affect with this one, because this one, they use the pressure of the air to press down this one to close the valve. For when the pressure is decreased, the force will gone, and they will let this one come back to the first positions. And when it's come back to these positions, it will let the air from the patients flow back into the machines. And when the air flow back, the pressure in this will be decreased until the spin of force of valve here overcome force on the diaphragm to make this one move to the right side. And when this one moves to the right side, it will make the magnetic come back. You see, this one, at first, the plate is here because it's attacked with the magnetic. So if the pressure in the machine decrease, it will decrease until this one move to the right side to push this plate out. So when it's put this plate out, it will make the pressure come back to the normally phase. So that is end of the expiration phase. Here, the gap will be here. So this is end of how this works. Thank you.